Hi friend, Ashish here. I am a yoga practitioner and yoga counselor. So in due course of learning in counseling, my mentor, my guru told me not to impose your thought or your belief. Actually in counseling you should not impose your thought or belief. Basically your thought. So the motive of counselor should be you have to just show the path, whatever the counselee need or require. So counselee have to find the path. Counselee need to observe what is right or what is wrong according to their need or their perspective. So in counseling, what I observe practically in life, and actually it's my sensitivity also. So basically it's my sensitivity, it's my belief, my feeling that there is something right, there is something wrong. So if somebody comes to you and surrender to you that he is or she are in pain or grief or want some suggestion from you or want to discuss something with you, that means ki they are stuck. Definitely they will get the answer from inside also, inside there also. But the thing is, maybe there are some techniques or maybe there are some principles you have to follow for a prosperous life or yoga teaches us. Basically, I come in the point. Basically, I want to say that yoga philosophy or the people who told us in Agama. Agama is the text or the scriptures from where we get to know what the thing right or wrong. So there we can experience or we can explore what I am doing right or I am doing wrong. So like so many people, they follow Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita is what? Bhagavad Gita is a philosophy from where you can get the meaning of life. You are doing right or wrong. But still now in Bhagavad Gita also people came and defined the shlokas and the meaning differently. So here what, as a counselor, what is my sensitivity is to motivate people to yoga. So my mentor told me don't impose anybody towards yoga or spiritual things, because so many of people, so many of counselee don't like yoga or yogic concept and philosophies. Actually he is right. I agree with this fact that so many people and so many of my students, basically so many of my counselee who are not interested in yoga and those philosophies, they just came with some certain mindset and they want to resolve those conflict between in their mind happened. So in that way what I observed ki their concepts are their root, the root cause is not good. For example, how can a people live happily if his life is undisciplined? I am just giving you a gross example. Nobody can, because it's a unnatural thing. It's a unnatural thought. Ki I don't want to be disciplined and I want to be happy. How can? Your body is disciplined. If your blood flow unable to follow the discipline, if your heart unable to follow the discipline of pumping, if your nostril unable to, say no, I will not breathe 10 seconds, or sorry, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, you will die. Every organ of your body is in discipline. The whole universe is in discipline. So just I am giving you an example. So everything is depend upon some pattern. So we should know that pattern. We should know what to eat, what not to eat, what is good for human body. We can't eat poison. We can't take so many things that is not good for our body. So I'm giving you the example. So like that in life also, as a counselor, I always suggest, I want to suggest, but my sir told me that you don't give suggestion. You just give them the path. He is right and I agree with him, and I'm trying my best to do that. That my counseling needs to search the path, whatever is good for him or her. I will not suggest, but yeah, I will give them some options. There are some options. Maybe you will like or not. So in that way, I started my social project as a yoga awareness. Basically, yoga philosophy, principles. So awareing people about the principle, giving the education to those who are not aware of yogic philosophies. So this is my social project I want to start, and through definitely YouTube video or social media is a very good platform. From here you can, I can, and we can spread this education to everybody so that they can decide what they should do or what they want to do basically. At least we can give them the education or information. So giving information is a good thing. So here my motive of my sharing is I want to give yoga philosophy, the information regarding yoga philosophy, and I hope it will be helpful for you and you feel good. If something you want to tell me or give me suggestion, I personally my belief that taking suggestion is a good thing. At least you are giving me some information, some knowledge. Definitely it will be helpful for me. So please give suggestion. Thank you, friend, for listening. Thank you.